Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And as of right now, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line. I think it's served its purpose for right now. And the main level, though, that I will be watching very closely along with everybody else. I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook as an example as far as technical charts are concerned. But yesterday, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video, but I talked about this 296 level as an area of support and mentioned, if that level fails, it could definitely create some downside pressure. And yeah, when it did fail, there was certainly quite a bit of downside pressure that occurred. Now, granted, to give credit where credit's due, the bulls recovered nicely, and then just pretty much it was a chop fest the rest of the day. But what's interesting about this is there is a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So this is what I mean by the textbook, is that level of support, like I said, was broken. And then the rest of the day, now did the price ever hit 296 exactly? It didn't, but hopefully we can all agree that it got close enough several times today, but can never quite break back up above 296. So 296 is going to be one of those areas that tons of people are going to be watching. And when tons of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So you're going to have all sorts of breakout players watching and wondering all about that 296 level, wondering, if the price can get its way up there and then break through it, that could certainly create some upside, pressure, and rightfully so. Not a guarantee to happen, but it's a more than valid thought to have. So 296 definitely going to be a key area of resistance. As far as levels of support, and the main one I'll be watching, along with many other traders, right down there at 293, we'll call it 75. But I mean, you go through the history, you can see right there, acted as support. And then right there, that's where the big old downside, movement here ended today, acted as support. So you're going to have everybody and their brother's uncle watching 293.75, wondering if that area can hold up or not. But all in all, those are going to be the two main levels that I watch in Friday. So let's see how it plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.